Welcome to tax lot 2100 Southwest Mintken Lane. This lot is 5 acres right on the western slope of Juniper Butte. It has gorgeous views from Mount Hood, which Mount Hood is shrouded right at this moment. You can see the base of it there, just in the clouds. But it's normally totally unobstructed, then all the way over to Bachelor. There's a few juniper trees that you'd clear to have totally unobstructed views, but that would be easy enough. They're all on this property, and there's plenty. If you take a few out for views, you can still have nice privacy and then see Mount Washington there, the Three Sisters, all of them totally unobstructed. You can see the tip of Three Finger Jack there behind Green Ridge. It's just the tip sticking out there. And then Mount Jefferson. Just a great lot, gently sloping. Already has the septic feasibility approval for a capping fill system. Power's right at the road. And so is Deschutes Valley Water. So you have water to connect to, and it's the best water source in the land. That is the water for Earth 2.0. So cost of development here is minimal. There's a paved road all the way in. Culver School District is great. Quick access throughout the region. Hop on 97 and be to the regional airport in about 20 minutes. Be to Bend in 35, maybe right about there, 35 minutes to Bend. Awesome lot, great location, buildable, 5 acres, ready to go. Now just about halfway down the slope, maybe a little further down than you'd build because the view's not quite as good, but it's very good everywhere, and only a few trees would have to be removed wherever you want to build to get that view. You can see those trees straight ahead that are blocking it all, they're on this lot. They could be trimmed. So if you want to be further down, you could and still capture that insanely beautiful view. See Hood all the way to Sisters, totally unobstructed. The entire lot is interesting, cool, private, and very accessible. Now at the road frontage for the lot, you can see up there, the corner for the southwestern corner is up by that phone stand for the phone line, which is phone line out here, ready to be connected. You can see the power lines here for connection. Really nice paved road. Good access all across the frontage. And then the northwestern corner of this lot is right there where you see that stake with flag. And then the lot goes straight up the hill from there. And the part where I videoed early in this is up above more where the building site would be.